Say good morning. Hi. Are you looking for strawberries? What's in the strawberries? So we're looking for strawberries this morning. So I did some research on my strawberry plants, and supposedly ever-bearing strawberries, you should cut all the blooms off until July, like the 1st of July, end of June, so that they concentrate on getting their leaves. So they're now starting to flower again, so that's exciting. But for a little while there, we didn't have any strawberries. So yeah, we're waiting on strawberries. Viviana's gonna join me this morning. We are going to dig a lot of potatoes. Well, hopefully a lot of potatoes. So, come on. Yeah. So my red potatoes here, you can kind of see, have flopped over. And I need to get them out because today it's gonna be like in the 90s. So we are gonna work on potatoes. Yeah. You say hi? So here we go. We're gonna just see what we got. I'm not sure how many potatoes I got in here. I literally did like nothing to these. I watered them maybe like a handful of times since I planted them. And hopefully they did better than last year. Last year I didn't do very well with them, but I also did plant them very late. So we're gonna see what we got, but I think this is the French fingerling. Well, we're gonna see here. Yeah, French finger red potatoes. So here we go. Yeah, gotta go get some gloves and a little shovel and see how many potatoes we're gonna get this morning. And Viviana's gonna join me. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna pull one out and see if we actually have any potatoes attached to these things. But oh, I see one. And some grubs. Oh yeah. Cool. That's exciting. Well, I'm just gonna go through here and pick off the pretty bigger sized ones, and we're gonna take them inside and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna store them then. So one thing too, you wanna make sure and not let these get in the sun. They don't turn green. So if you can, try and do it, you know, early in the morning or whenever. But so that's the goal. I'm not sure how deep these are going because the soil I see is kind of compacted from last year. But the top is nice and floofy, so that's good. That's some pretty good sized ones. Hey baby, come over here. Come. I actually kind of like these little ones. I just think they're cute to use for breakfast kind of stuff and just little home fries and different recipes like that. Come baby. He's stuck. Wow. Oh. I think this is like one of the satisfying things of the garden, being able to dig down in there and find potatoes, because you can't actually like see until you dig down in there. Kind of cool. Yeah, so like see how some of these are really nice and smooth and there's no like crevices. So like this one, you can see it was further down and it started compacting itself. There's like some lines and stuff. You can just kind of see it was harder for it to grow, so that's something I definitely have to change a little bit if I put potatoes back in here. It's kind of nice that they were over here because, you know, any bugs that potatoes deal with isn't, you know, around any of the other plants. But they actually had no disease or anything. It was amazing. amazing. On the top anyway. It's just like nice and floofy. Good sized ones. So this is my seed potato that I planted for these. Yeah, these are some pretty good sized ones. And those plants, which I wish I would have mounted them again. I did when I planted them, and I just never got around to mounting them higher, you know, when the potatoes started coming up or whatever. So I just kind of let them go just to see what they would do. I mean, this is already way better than what I had last year. Way better. Mm-hmm. Honey, Mama said potatoes. Wow. Yeah, potato. Is that potato? Wow. Cool, huh? Yeah. No way. Wow, good job. Another one? Uh-huh. That's a potato. Is that potato? Potatoes. Yeah, potato. That's a potato. Ooh, yeah, do the weeds, Raskita. Good job. Wow. Wow. Alrighty. You playing in the dirt? Huh? Are you playing in the dirt? I'm actually going to tear one of these. These are the German butterball ones, and I kind of want to see what size they are. But I don't want to tear like a whole bunch of them out if they're not quite ready, because they're not quite as laid over as the red ones were. Maybe if I just dig in here a little bit, see if I can find any. Oh, there we go. Yeah, those are still pretty little. So we'll just leave them alone. I'm gonna wait till those get a little bit bigger, because I want those more for like mashed potatoes or something. But honey, you gotta leave the dirt in the box. Yeah. What are you doing? Wanna go in your car? Your broom broom car? Uh-huh. What you got? What you got? Huh? Be careful. Okay, So this is the amount that I got right here from those 2 rows of French fingerling red potatoes and 1 German butterball. So I got excited and wanted to just see what size they were. But there's some good size ones in here for red. I'm excited to use the little ones because I do like the little potatoes as well. So not too bad. I mean, this is way more than I got last year. I maybe got like this amount last year, maybe. So yeah, I'm just gonna let them sit here and air out on the screen here in the garage. Our garage is actually air conditioned, so it stays nice and cool in here. And there's a lot of airflow moving. So I'm gonna leave them in there. And once they're done curing, then I will put them in a basket and store them in our storage room downstairs, which is also air conditioned, to keep them nice until I use them. You want to try and keep them in a dark, cool place. They store the best in that environment. So, or you can use them fresh. I mean, this amount, I could probably put them up on my counter and use them fresh, but I still have quite a bit of potatoes up in my kitchen, so I want to just let these sit down here and let them cure anyways, even if I come down and grab a few, you know, here and there. But yeah. What are you doing? Are you being silly? Are you being silly? I think you are. You know, big peekaboo. Where's Viviana? Right here. Where's Viviana? You cutie. It's gonna get hot today. Probably gonna have to get the pool out or go swimming in the pond, but she loves her little inflatable pools. So, alrighty. Thanks for joining again. Bye.